Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on VASE mode in PrusaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what we are going to do is at the top right corner we will uh, activate the expert mode so that we see everything, every setting that it is. Now click on the print settings tab at the very top of your screen. And in the left hand column select layers and parameters. So the first one, look at the right side of the screen and locate the vertical shell section. So vertical shells, the second section right here. Check the box next to the spiral vase. Just like that, you will get a warning here. So accept the changes and click back to the plate tab right here. And what we are going to do is click on Slice Now. So now you can see only single object may be printed at a time. So okay, I will just quickly change here my model. So let's say this one, for example, just like that. So it will be changed. Okay, so we have spiral vase right here. And now we can slice it right over here. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next